Meet new colleagues.
Good morning, Jennifer Banks.
Good morning, Peter.
Let me take you to your cubicle and then I will give you a tour of our company. Here is your cubicle.
Oh, very nice.
Drop your belongings here, and let's go.
Yes, I am ready, Peter.
That is Lucy over there. She is our senior technology analyst. You will be working with her in the future. Let's go say hi to her. Lucy, this is Jennifer, our department's new addition.
Welcome aboard, Jennifer. I am very glad to see you.
Thank you. I am very happy to be here. Just let me know whenever you need me. I am glad to be of any assistance.
I am giving Jennifer a tour of our facility so that he knows his way around here.
See you later, Jennifer.
Yeah, goodbye.
Request for office supplies.
Excuse me. I was wondering how to order office supplies.
We have a requisition form on the company website. What type of supplies do you need?
I need paper and ink cartridges.
How quickly will you need your supplies?
I need all of my supplies right away.
We also will have to check your department budget. Do you know how much money you have for office supplies?
I will check to see what my budget is.
Would you like these supplies delivered or would you like to pick them up?
Please deliver them to my office.
Fine, well just send the form to us and we will let you know as soon as your supplies come in.
Thank you.
Offering help.
I was wondering if you need any help on your new project.
That would be great. Are you good at writing or would you rather do the computer work?
I would like to help with the computer work.
Great. We are going to be working in teams of 4. Are you okay working with others?
Yes, I like working like that.
We will begin next Tuesday. Would you be available then?
Yes, I can be there.
Well, if you could send me your basic background information before next Tuesday, it would be useful.
I will send the information to you.
Well then, thank you. Have a great day.
Ask for permission.
I was wondering if I could borrow the company truck for a fundraiser.
Sure, I think that would be possible. Where is the fundraiser?
It is in the park downtown.
Who will be driving it?
John and I will be driving the truck.
Could you drop it off on Friday morning?
Yes, we can do that. Can we borrow the chairs from the lunchroom also?
Yes, that would be fine.
Disagreement and agreement.
I was thinking of holding the company retreat in the mountains.
I agree, I think that would be perfect.
I was thinking it could take place sometime in February.
That might be a little too cold for some people.
Yes, you are right.
What about May? May has good weather that isn't too cold or too hot.
Yes, that would work out better.
You know, maybe we could take a survey to see how that works for everyone.
That's a good idea. We'll have to get right on it.
Well, I'll get right on it now.